sweet, another tornado warning. And I heard the tones this time.
The National Weather Service in Grand Rapids has issued a tornado warning for western Gratiot County in central Michigan, east central Montcalm County in central Michigan, until 7:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 7:02 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, National Weather Service meteorologists were tracking a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado. This dangerous storm was located 7 miles southeast of Stanton and moving northeast at 45 miles per hour. The warning includes areas surrounding these locations: Alma, Ithaca, Ferris Township, Crystal, Forest Hill, Elm Hall, Elwell, Riverdale, Sumner, St. Louis, Eugene, New Haven Center. Take cover now. Move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If in a mobile home, a vehicle, or outdoors, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying objects. Thanks for listening to NOAA Weather Radio Station KIG6.
Second tornado warning of the year. And the 9th EAS today. The slow startup on my camera caused me to miss the EAS tones. That and they were really short. I should probably keep that on, just in case they do issue another one.